Good morning, it's me, Mikey Pipes. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we're heading over to South Belmore. We're working on a shower faucet issue for a home warranty company. So something a little bit different. That's why I wanted to just do this little intro, and hopefully we can get them up and running and make them happy, all right? Make sure you smash that thumbs up button in advance. Really appreciate it. Thanks, guys. Good morning, how are you?
Okay.
Here to fix a hot water issue?
Yeah, I know. It's to head to the right. Down here to the right. The tub faucet is always like dripping,
Okay.
and I only get hot water.
You only got hot water. When did that problem start?
About a week or so ago. Getting all hot, scalding water, and then there's this. This is the other thing. This is really tight. I don't know if something needs to be loosened.
Okay, and you're with the warranty company, I believe, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so I need to call them because they don't cover faucets, but
They
let's
do.
get...
I have the coverage for that.
Okay, I'll give them a call and verify that.
Okay, thank you.
One moment, please.
Thank you.
What company are you calling with?
Pipe Doctor?
Okay, Mike. And then the name of the customer and address.
Belmore, New York, 11710.
Okay, and how can I help you today?
I'm being dispatched out to, there's two faucet issues. Can we verify faucet repair coverage?
Okay, give me 1 second.
Thank you. I need to work on this though. My shirt makes me look happy. So hang on. Oh. Stay right there.
Yep, they do have coverage.
Okay, very good. Thank you for clarifying that. Appreciate it.
Oh, you're welcome. You have a good day.
You too. Thank you. Bye. All right, so there is what we need. All right, let me give you an update. The shower, we'll order a cartridge for you. We put an estimate into AIG first, your warranty company. The faucet, the bathroom faucet you need to replace. I can't remove the handle without damaging the finish on it, so it has to be replaced. It's probably the mechanisms inside that are seized up. I see some rust and corrosion underneath, so that's probably what you have. You probably had an internal leak for quite some time, and it just seized up and it's very difficult to turn now. As far as the shower, again, we got to put the claim in, the dollar amount claim in with AIG and see what they say, and we'll get parts accordingly. Any questions?
Yes. So the drip, that's part of the drip?
On the shower,
Yeah.
tub and shower, yes, correct.
Okay. So how long is that going to take?
That depends on them. It'll be entered into the system today.
Oh,
And-
so you have to come back a second time?
Yeah, we need to get approval. We need to get a faucet. You're probably not going to like the faucet they approve. You'll have to get your own faucet. We'll see what happens.
Oh, you have to replace the faucet?
Yes,
Which faucet are we talking about?
the sink faucet.
Okay.
Like I said, I can't remove the handle without damaging the finish. So I'm not damaging the finish and then buying you a faucet out of my own pocket. So I need to replace. I'm putting
You can't
putting
just
in.
clean it up?
I can't remove the handle without damaging the faucet.
And you'd have to remove the faucet.
And I have to remove the handle in order to make, to try to clean it up, which I'm not a handyman. I'm a licensed plumber. So it is what it is. So we'll put the claim in with AIG. Hopefully it doesn't go over your limits of it, and they'll let us know what they say, and then we'll be back.
Okay, so this includes what will be the process for replacing the faucet to one that, that's similar?
Well, it's of like kind. So right now you have a brushed nickel faucet. So they're obligated to give you one with brushed nickel. So whatever value that is that they find, they'll supply that, and then they'll prove
Who
it.
picks it out?
They do.
They can't just give me a dollar amount and let me just go buy it and submit the receipt?
It doesn't really work that way because they're getting faucets for $20, $30. You're getting faucets for $200. It's a big difference. So We'll see. Again, it's outside my realm of expertise. I'm here to I work for them.
Okay, so
I'm contracted by them to come to you, diagnose, give them the diagnosis, and then proceed accordingly. So that's where we're at right now. Let's not jump ahead
Okay,
of
so
ourselves.
you have to go put in the claim, tell them what I need, and
Correct.
wait for approval.
Correct.
And then who will call me? Will it be them?
They
or
will.
it be, they will.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, thank you. Then.
You're welcome. Have a great weekend. A dispatch. It's normally under the dollar amounts and whatever, but this case is a little bit different. So I have two issues at this customer's location. Number one, the bathroom faucet I need to replace. And number two, the shower cartridge for the tub and shower body needs to be replaced.
Okay.
And I have pricing and labor costs and all that good stuff.
Okay, perfect. Just give me 1 second to get my
No problem.
thing. Okay, so did these two things fail due to just like normal wear and tear?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, perfect. Okay, you can go ahead with those pricing.
All right, so for the widespread faucet, the replacement in brushed nickel is $390, and labor is $225. Tax is $22.72.
Okay.
Let me know when you're ready for the shower body.
Oh yes, go ahead.
The shower body cartridge is $117, and labor is $115.75. Tax is $19.20.
Okay. And is your diagnosis included in all of this?
No, the diagnosis, the trip charge and diagnosis is $195 total.
Okay, so for this one, the customer is for sure going to have an out-of-pocket cost.
Okay.
So I am going to need to contact the customer to see if they want to continue with the out-of-pocket cost.
Yeah, her biggest concern was the selection of the faucet. You know, I just went online and I found something comparable in brushed nickel, at a reasonable price point. And she's like, well, I want to pick one out myself. I was like, listen, first things first, I have to put the authorization into the warranty company, and then they'll take it from there. So we're jumping ahead, and I was like, listen, this is what it is, how it is. I try to calm her down a little bit, but I think she wants to take money and just buy her own faucet. That's my take of things, but you're the expert on the phone, so I'll let you deal with that.
Yes, sir. Okay. All right, well, thank you for calling in today, and I will let you know what she decides.
Okay, perfect.
All right, well, thank you so much.
You're welcome, ma'am. Have a great weekend. Be well.
Thank you, you too. Bye.
Thank you. Bye. You see, ladies and gentlemen, that's how easy it was. So, again, I'm not going to be confrontational in the house. We are retained by the warranty company. We are dispatched out to the customer's location to diagnose, make them aware of what's going on, get approval if I think it's going to exceed a certain dollar amount, or get approval if it's something that's not normally covered. Don't be confrontational with the homeowner, right? And let the warranty company handle it from there. I gave them the pricing. You see, I told them the price of the faucet, the price for labor to put the faucet in, associated sales tax, then the price of the shower cartridge with my markup, of course, labor to install the cartridge, right, and then the appropriate tax, and also labor to date, the trip to go out there, and my time on the phone giving them a call, which I discounted to $195 because that's my contracted rate. Not bad, right? It's a free customer. You know what? There's no cost of acquisition for this particular customer. You know, if I have, my Google advertising turned on, or, pay-per-click, or,
all those means of acquiring, the acquisition of a new customer. I've done the math. The acquisition cost of a new customer in the New York metropolitan area for my company with the associated overhead is $47.92. $47.92, right? And if my hourly rate, right, my call-out charge, right, which is changing, but is $2.25 per hour, right? Taking that money out already is well below $195 that I'm already contracted out to them for, right? So, but like I said, I'm going to change that around probably in the next few weeks. I already started implementing that. We have a new $115 trip charge, right, which does not get waived. That's on top of our hourly rate. It's a one-time charge per service call. And I've been implementing that on, certain calls that come in. Not all of them, but it's just kind of like a test, right? We're doing a probationary period to see what the reception is of the clients that call. So far, so good. It is what it is. And that price increases like when I go into the Bronx, for example, which we don't normally do, but it increases based on distance. So that's that. We're going to get a call back from the warranty company. You'll see what they say. But again, I just wanted to make a video on how to handle a home warranty service call as a plumbing contractor. The same applies for HVAC, for electrical trades. The same applies universally across the board. You diagnose, you document what's going on, you come up with the cost of what the repair is going to take, and it's basically giving them like a flat rate price. You make the warranty company aware what the charge is going to be, and then you let them take it from there. Don't be confrontational with the customer. You saw I got it mostly on video. She was trying to get more information out of me, but I quickly shot that down, diffused any potential situation because I don't want to be in a confrontation with a homeowner. I already said my piece, and we let her speak. And then I said, listen, let's just not jump the gun, and we'll see what happens. So hopefully I'll be able to post a continuation of this video up next. So just a quick little update. I got an email from the warranty company. They said, dear Mike, please call out this call for your trip and diagnosis fee. Thanks. Like, there you go. See how easy that was? Maintain composure, discipline, professionalism, the entire service call, and still got paid. All good. All right, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, be well, God bless, stay safe.